So, welcome to Kolkata, our city of joy. Archaeologists believe that people used to reside in Kolkata since 2000 years before. But the British document is only 390 years, as the East India Company, which ruled India for that period, they set up their capital in Kolkata only. So naturally, every building or the cultural sites or each and every corner of the city carries with it the British culture and British heritage. But we are famously known for Baro Mase Tero Parvon. It means 12 months and 13 celebration. Yes, it is true, because we have tens of pujas which we celebrate together. We have the Christmas which we celebrate together. We have the Sikh Jayanti which we celebrate together. We have the Eid ul-Fitr which we celebrate together. So cultural heritage and unity in diversity is the main USP of the city of joy, our Kolkata. Durga Puja is our the most famous festival, which is celebrated for a duration of 7 to 10 days, and at that time several peoples from all over India comes here. There are hundreds of beautiful pandals, theme pandals you can see all over the city, and lightings also. Other than Durga Puja, there are several more occasions, all pujas, which is back to back celebration is goes on here for a long time, and it carries on till the end of the year, which is the Christmas. And this is the decoration of the street of the Park Street on the Christmas Eve, and it will stay here till the 31st December 2002-3. Hundreds and thousands of young peoples and all age peoples used to throng here in the Park Street during this area. It's a 7-kilometer old heritage street with all sorts of British cultures and heritage, and it is a sight to be seen. Although celebration of Christmas is most famous in the Bow Barracks, which is an Anglo-Indian place. You can also go there and see the celebration. It goes on for 7 days in the Bow Barracks. And in Park Street, this is a separate area which is decorated so beautifully during this time. Hundreds of young people used to throng here in Park Street during this time. There are several heritage restaurants here, famous, the most famous ones in Kolkata, also here in Park Street, the bars and restaurants. So here is a small video clip which I am sharing to you all, and definitely visit here during Durga Puja or in any other celebrations or in Christmas. You will find no difference between Calcutta and maybe with London. Okay, goodbye, enjoy.